Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is Tech with Bumi, and in today's video I'll be giving us some best tips, best ways to make money or to run an ad with Facebook through WhatsApp marketing. Okay, if you want to take your business to the next level, you have an e-commerce or you sell some stuff and you don't know how to go about it, this is the best way for you to turn your sales to millions of dollars. Okay, so keep on watching as I put you through on how to go about this. As we all know, for you to start or to create this WhatsApp ad, you need to use WhatsApp for business. You know there are two different WhatsApp apps. We have the ordinary WhatsApp and we have WhatsApp for business. So you need to download the app of WhatsApp for business and follow the details and go ahead and put your number. So watch this video to the end and you will see how you start making sales following the tips I'm going to be giving you. As we all know, 1.5 active users on WhatsApp, 450 million daily users. Users it, check their phone 23 times per day. Okay, even more than that. Then 65 billion messages daily. Imagine these people coming through your WhatsApp to make money. This is the in thing right now, okay? So without any further ado, let's dive to the main tutorials of today and take your cup of coffee and enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it out and subscribe if you are new. So now let's dive into the main tutorials for today to give you the WhatsApp. This is to give you one of the best WhatsApp marketing tips that will change your business forever. Please comment below if you are going to try these tips after watching this video. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's go to the main tutorials. Another information I want to give us is that this video is for those of us that don't have a website and you want to make sales. Okay, first, I already did a video on how to create your web link. So now you can now create a WhatsApp ad with that web link. Okay, but keep on watching and you see how it is. But most importantly, I'm going to do another video for those of us that have a website. Okay, so now, so you want to be sure your WhatsApp number is connected to your Facebook account, your Facebook page. You have to have a Facebook page to run an ad with WhatsApp. Okay, so now we want to make sure that our Facebook page is our WhatsApp link is attached to the what to our WhatsApp link is attached to our Facebook. Okay, so as you can see, we have Instagram and we have WhatsApp here. So this is my WhatsApp, and you have to attach it for this video for you to run an ad. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number here, and you can change it. Just follow the procedure, and you can also connect your Instagram account. If you don't know, you can also create if you want to create a Facebook ad. It's always good for you to go through. I mean, if you want to create an Instagram ad, it's always good to go through your Facebook to create your Instagram ad. That's just a bonus point for us. So for the tutorials of today, just make sure your business WhatsApp link is attached to your Facebook. Okay, so I just want us to know about that. So now let's go to the ads, how to create the ads. So guys, you type business.facebook.com. Okay, click on business.facebook.com. If you don't know how to create a business page, a business Facebook account. I'm going to put a link in my description so you can watch the video, okay? Then you log into your Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account. It's already giving me this is my business name, Snippet Media Solution, okay? So now I will now go to Ad Manager. So now this is the Ad Manager. For the purpose of these tutorials, I'm going to create we're going to be doing this together, okay? We'll create a new campaign. So you go to campaign, you create a campaign, create a new campaign, okay? So now we have to choose a campaign objective, right? So to choose a campaign objective, do you want awareness, traffic, engagement, leads? Leads is collect leads for your business or brands, instant form, messenger, conversion or calls, app or sales. Okay, so we want, and sales is find people likely to purchase your product or services, good for conversion, catalog sales, messenger, and WhatsApp. So we want Facebook to direct people that wants to buy from us. We want them to direct them to us. So we're going to click sales. Okay, so we're going to click continue. So now it has brought us to, so now this is our campaign. We have to create a campaign name. Okay, so it's just for the tutorials, for the benefit of this tutorial, I'll put WhatsApp training, WhatsApp training 1. Okay, then it will come, we'll scroll down. There's no need to turn off everything. If you want to test the A/B testing, you can click on that. And average budget, we can create an average budget. It can be a daily budget, okay, or a lifetime budget, but I like to do daily budget. Okay, so it depends on your budget. You can reduce this $20. You can start from as low as $5, or it depends on your budgeting. Okay, you will spend up to $25 on some days, or less other than. Okay, so then you click on next, just for the tutorial, for the benefit of these tutorials. Okay, so now we are going to put another one there. We'll do whatsapp training, I'll put one also. Okay, so now this place is for your website. If you have a website, the best way is for you to generate, which I'm going to do a new video about it, okay, is to use a landing page, and generate sales through your landing page, and you'll be able to monitor those that actually went to your thank you page. To the lead generation, you figure it out. But right now we're going to be using WhatsApp. Okay, we're going to be using WhatsApp because we want people to to come to we want to drive sales and conversion through our WhatsApp. So now we are going to select page, because I manage some other people's accounts. So this is the one I'm doing in my personal account. This is Ziped Media Solution. So I'm going to select this page. So now it says we should select a page. I selected Ziped Media Solution, which is this, and I scroll up. Then you have to have a Facebook pixel. Okay, I already added my pixel to it. As we can see, it's been connected, right? Make sure that this is connected properly. You will send people without what's up to the best. We will send people without what's up to the best alternative. Drive sales and convert through WhatsApp. So this is my page, and this is my WhatsApp link. Okay, So now we'll choose our events. Also, you can click on this WhatsApp. So you can, if you click on this WhatsApp, we are going to put the link of our link, our customized link. Okay, we'll put it inside so that you can monitor it. We'll put it inside. So let's continue watching. We'll put it inside the ads. So you put your date. If you are starting today, October 17, then it's always good. It's optional, but it's always good to set an end date so you don't forget. So you can decide to run this ads for 1 week, or you can decide to run it for 2 weeks. Okay? This date has passed. So let's change this to 18 because of the time difference. Okay, so now this is, then if you want to target, if you have a save audience, you can add it. But customize audience, you look for customized audience, look alike audience, and you can also put this. Then your location is Canada, right? And you can change the age if you want between 20 to 65 years old, depending on the type of market you want. And this place you can edit it if you want only females, or if you want male and females, both gender, you put it here. So then demography is good so that you can know the exact place to put to know the exact place, right? So it's going to, you can behavioral, add demographic, interest, and behavioral, where you want people to. Facebook will know how to sort this for you, but you have to put something, right? So in this detailed targeted, you have to, this is where you target the rich people. Okay, the rich people that you want to for them to come to your WhatsApp, that no matter what, they would always buy. So you can look for online shopping. You can ask for suggestion, right? It gives suggestion, engage shoppers, depending on what you want, fashion, accessories. And it's always good to limit this detailed to five. You can choose 5 different detailed target, and you can create another ad set and do another one. You can create if you want to expand it, right? You can create different ad sets for it, because it's not good to make this so bogus. You can create different ad sets. Okay, so now because of the training we want to do, we can even go to and target, let's say, you can go ahead to target all these big places, right? Like you can target doctors, you can target doctorate degree, those people that you feel that they will buy from you. Okay, and you can define further, and you can exclude. Okay, so you define further, and must also add, you can put personal shoppers. So it depends. You can also put this, people that engage, people that are in a relationship, engage shoppers, engagement, wedding ring, depending on what you want to sell, right? People you want to target. So this is just an example of what I'm giving you. Okay, and it says audience defined, and it's okay like that. And if you placement, I like to do manual placements. Okay, you can decide to take advantage plus placement recommendation. Okay, use advantage plus placement to maximize your budget or helps shows out to more people. Facebook delivery system will allocate your ads to them. So you can either choose any of these, but for this we'll be using manual placement. Okay, why would recommend advantage of this? So we create, you can go to all details thing. Remember, I changed it to website. Okay, so when you go to, when they click on that your link, which I already did a video on, how to create a WA link. When they click on that your WA link, they would definitely come through your website. I mean, come through your phone. Okay. So you can either, you want to define it. I don't want audience. I don't want messenger. And and it's better to know where your customers are coming from, so you can decide to split this at 2 times. So if you want just for Facebook, you can do for Facebook. If you want just for Instagram, you can do for Instagram. So we're going to do for Instagram alone. Okay. So you can highlight this, and you can highlight and all that. Then we'll go to next. So now we're going to give, it's still the same name. We're going to give this another name. Our ad, we have 3 ad sets, right? So we are going to mention this for WhatsApp training 1. This is just for the tutorials for this video. Okay. So WhatsApp training 1, free training. So this is where you brand your content, you create ad setup, right? If you have create ad of use existing post. If you want to use so yeah, you is either you choose you put, as I said earlier, you post your existing, the video you want to promote. You put it either on your Facebook or your Instagram ad. Okay. So now I'm just going to create this. Okay. So and press continue. As you can see, so and it will go through WhatsApp. So you just create your call to action is send WhatsApp message. Okay, so you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is connected to your Facebook ad. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget, you can either create a new one and save it and start and do it ASAP, or you use existing posts. So I use an existing post and I put all this, and as you can see, it will direct you to my WhatsApp. Okay, and if this is done properly, if it's done rightly, you can just go on publish, and Facebook is going to review it. When it's done properly, Facebook is going to review it, and you will have your ad campaign running. As it is right now, is in graft. So when I if I click on publish, it's going to put in review. So you give Facebook like 24 hours for it to get reviewed, and your campaign will be selling out to the world. Anyone interested will come into your WhatsApp. So this is how to run a WhatsApp ad through your Facebook ad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. And please watch others of my videos, and please share out this video, subscribe if you're new, and join my Telegram community. The link is in the description box, and join me also in my WhatsApp TV journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. All the details are found in the description box. Bye for now. Cheers.